Halos yung nandito. Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog! Wala akong intro ate. Sobrang biglaan lang nito. Ito na yun.
Ay, na-miss ko lumabas sa channel mo.
Wow! At dahil dyan, kailangan natin gumawa na maraming vlog.
Papadate ulit kita eh.
Ay, hindi. Yan! Pwede. Nakabahan ako sa bagong date na yan ah. Salamat Choice sa pagpunta. Anytime. Oh my gosh! She's back! Ate, pumunta ako sa mga. Oh my God, ate. Hello! Ate! So 1 month na wala si ate. 1 month namin siyang hindi nakasama sa laro.
First time namin makakasama.
Uy, first time. Pero hindi natin first time mag-meet kasi sa Yes Please. Magkakaklase tayo.
Classmate.
Yes! Hi, Jay!
Hi, Coach!
Hi, Coach! Hi, guys! Hi, guys! Hello sa couple na ito. Jay! Yes! So, natuloy din ang aming plano. Chay, ano masasabi mo na from basketball, magiging badminton player ka na?
Actually, gusto ko lang to kasi mag-ESTs na ako.
Wow! Iba pala ang nais!
Sana mo kay Kara?
Akala ko badminton ano yan? Ay, ano ba yan?
Kasi nga, sporty ako eh.
Wow! Thank you, sis! Laro na, laro. Oh! Diyan ka na, Choy! Nag-vlog ako eh.
Vlogger ka?
Oo, ngayon lang. Okay.
Nag-warm up na kami.
Wow!
Mas yan ah.
So, ang set po natin, Jaired versus Carol and tapos dito Rachel, Paulo and G-Force, Micah and Jim Morales.
Guys, nangyayari ko ngayon.
Ay, nagpapatalo kami kasi uy!
Ay, yeah. Ay, go through the phase to get where we pray. We champion made, ain't nothing I changed. The streets that nobody can hate on the road that I played. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. From dusk till dawn, from night till day. Ay, checking the game, was never afraid. Just calling my name, they fall into place. The land of elite, the home of the brave. Ay, nobody can hate on the toll that I paid. When everything's settled, let's see who remains. Like us against the world, okay, gotta go against the grain. In a mud from a place that wasn't sterile, get it done like it ain't no thing. Okay, I'm a flame feel I got me a championship ring. Pop bottles, bang yo gang, rep yo set, take that to the bank. Yeah, I've been keeping it Team of New York, fuck is they talking about? I done came up in the ranks. Number 11, I show up and show out. My heart is the size of the tank, not the size of the body. I body whoever, just think of Goliath and Dave. The bigger they are, the deeper the hole that I gotta in the grave, okay. House, I was 17 on the bench now. All my idols then is getting sent down, okay. And my enemies is all hellbound to get meltdown. Guess it's all starting to make sense now. Lil Nicky shit when that stimmy hit. I was running sessions like a guinea pig. Put sauce in it like the guineas did. Just like my father, I'm Benny's kid. I'm really him. This really shit that we talked about is little city kids. We really did everything we said we would. Blowing up like Killian, yeah. Hey.
Second game with the influencers.
Tatalunin namin sila, Zay.
Nope.
Alam niyo guys, no, hindi niyo alam. Sabi ko lang galingan eh. Sino panalo? Wow! Coach, sino panalo?
Sila. Galing sila.
Hi sis, okay lang sama ka sa vlog?
Chris is back.
Guess who's back? Alam niyo guys, sa sobrang sporty ng pamilyang to, yung iba nandun sa pickleball. Ayun sila oh, sila Carol. They're playing. Sila Vance, Jaime, and DG.
Kuyak natin!
Uy, grabe! So guys, it's 11:59. Magmi-midnight na ano. So magta-12 na. 9, nag-start kami maglaro ng 9. So 3 hours na kami naglalaro ngayon. Let's go. Pero so ano?
Versusan siguro. Sino mas sexy? Sino mas hot?
Sino mas angat?
Sino mas yummy?
Hi guys, ano oras na? 12:10 in the morning. And so far, so sweaty. Iba ng ano, trip ng pamilyang ito.
Jai, kamusta naman ang heart mo?
Okay lang, Joy. 50-50.
Gusto mo gawin natin muna yun.
Parang nakakatakot yan, Joy, ah. So, nangabes. Oo nga eh. Saan ba? Alin? Sa bagay.
Try lang yung try.
Until you succeed. Yes, para sa life.
Abangan nyo si
Ano?
Jai.
Ano abangan?
Siyempre, i-date
12:40 AM na and kami na lang halos yung nandito. Actually, kami na lang pala yung nandito. Ayan, 3 courts, tapos isang court sa pickleball. Sobra-sobra ng laro. Wow!
Grabe, napit kayo, napit ko ba?
From basketball to pickleball to badminton. As a sporty person, wow, Choy, ano shoes mo?
Kobe.
Kobe! Kobe! Ma'am, ano masasabi mo? May ganito ba sa PBB? Wala! Kay Jai Minton lang po. Ate, ang pula ng mukha mo. Diba? Parang ang ano dyan, tisay na foreign. Atake.
Panay, banded doon, maninay.
Ito may sarili ka pa na. Thanks, kuya. Ganda. Nice game, ate. Right! Tapos na kami mag-badminton. Ang oras ay 1:42 ngayon. TikTok na lang.
Baby, you're my pillow, soft like dreams. 스치는 손끝마저 perfect. Now I'm pulled up. Baby, I can't look back anymore. 네 품 안에서 잠든 듯해. Hug me more. 복잡해 모든 게 시간이 필요해. 시끄럽기만 해. I just wanna lay here. 쉬운 게 하나 없지 여긴 around and round. Yeah, 그 순간 내게 다가오는 느낌. It's kind of like a surprise. 내 맘을 간지럽히네. I'm just
Aftermath, how was the game, sis? Ang saya nung sayaw. Ang saya. Ayan ang last namin
Parang
ginawa.
mas napagod kayo sa sayo kaysa
Yes,
sa band.
correct. Ma, how was the game?
Super enjoy.
Yes, pero ba't fresh pa din? Parang di naman pinagpawisan ng ate ko. So, how was the game?
Nakakapagod. Iba na talaga pag trentahin na.
Di na talaga bumabata. How was the
Grabe,
game?
parang nagbawas ako ng 10 kilos.
Wow! So, lagi ko nakakasama. Lagi ko nakakasama. Lagi yung mga nakakasama.
Okay.
Cool down na. Ay, Kuya Gina! Bye,
Ang
Choy!
payat na ni Jai, nakakainis.
Thank you, Kuya. Ikaw din.
Pagpasok ko, di kita mahanap eh.
Ako! Ay, sobra naman na siya. Thank you, Kuya. Ingat! Bye! Thank you! Next time ulit. Bye-bye. Bye, sister! Love you, mama mo. Ingat kayo. Okay, after badminton. Ito amats namin after badminton. Hiya!
I'm so tired. I'm so tied up. Naka-brown ka din sis. Hindi ka talaga naka-brown. Ano tawag dito? Naka-white? Naka-white na.
Ate?
Valuable na.
Wait, anong masasabi mo sa galaw?
Marunong ka ni, hindi nakabrush dati. So, kailangan natin i-change.
Bakit wala ka boxer?
Ano eh, kasi nga,
Try natin mag-volleyball next time.
volleyball, tapos pickleball. Parang talino dito. Ako yun.
First time ni Ate Mike's dito. So, ang dami na naming nare-recruit guys. I'm so excited.
Ito na, sisirita ko na siya ng barbecue sauce. Mike, ang puti-puti mo.
Excited to eat. So, this is barbecue and bacon, Ate.
Grabe ka talaga sa akin.
Last.
짙은